Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio with a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and I have experimented and put a thin layer of gesso on from Sargent's, which I'm not sure I'm all that happy about because it seems rougher than it did before I did that. So I'm hoping it won't make much difference. And I watched Britta Clayton earlier today, another Colourarte affiliate. There's a coupon code for 15% off underneath the video. And she made me want to do Scape in a different manner. And I used to put big puddles of white and black to move paint, but they were half house paint and half artist loft usually. And I haven't done that for quite a while, and I'm not doing it now, although I wish I were, because I think that would move differently than this is. I am seeing quite a few bubbles, but I probably shook the bottle before I started. I'm going to put a little bit more and take a chance. I'm going to treat it like a bloom, I think. Sort of. This is blue ice. I believe this is a primary element. And I don't know what I'm going to get because I have played around and played around. I took some frosted and I added a little bit of Chantilly lace and some Cerulean Blue. I want to put the cover back on that. And then I did frosted berry and added a few drops of, where'd it go? It's over here somewhere, Rapsody Rose. No idea what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. And I have a darker color. I wanted to throw some black iris in there because I can. And now that I'm here, I want to throw a little bit of Chantilly lace in there also. And then I'm going to do something super weird. And I'm going to put purple cell activator, dioxazine purple. And then some white. The dioxazine purple is from Master's Touch at Hobby Lobby. The white is Amsterdam white. Now, instead of blowing this out, I'm just going to go ahead and give myself permission. And it occurs to me I should grab an edge catcher, but I probably have one handy. It'll be a full-size one. This is what I used to do. Just let everything flow across. Tip it back. It's been a while since I did one of these. Now I kind of want the top to be done too. So we're just going to keep right on moving paint. It creates a seal when it hits the edge catcher, which is nothing more. You could use a piece of cardboard, I believe. I'd like to roll it down sometimes. I sort of scrape it off on the top. I'm going to move all my paint back to where I started, and I might even let it go down. I'm really tempted to swipe because that's a pretty wild sky. That's even beyond anything I anticipated. I'm quiet because I'm focused. Once I've got that down there, I can squeeze the edge and help it roll back on. And also push that bead right down. And I'll also be able to scrape off my edge catcher. Now I should be able to use a straw if I want to. And I'm definitely interested in letting some of that paint run off and fill in. And I can definitely, like I said, I can definitely use the paint on my edge catcher. And I can even start the bottom process, which I'm thinking is going to be house paint instead of the artist loft. I'm just going to let that keep going. Please fill in. And I like the fact that there's some drama over here and it's quite plain over there. But it doesn't mean I'm going to leave it. I may just use all the paint I've got, put it right back on the canvas. We'll see if I have room to do so. Now I'm going to use my finger, take all the excess off that I can, because that will help it stop running. Can't think of any reason not to use the paint up. Never done that before. But I want that edge catcher sort of clean and out of there, because I'm probably going to want to use it for the bottom half. So I'm just going to... I want something to catch this. Oh look, I've got another edge catcher. I've got several. They weren't meant to be there, but they are. I don't mind different layers. Different zones are cool. Can't see what I'm doing though. I'm going to let all that go up into the rest of the picture. I might blow it down again too. Where's my straw? Let me grab a straw. Ouch. I could definitely use what I've got. Don't want to stick your straw in paint, because once you pick it up, you don't know where it's been. That's pretty cool. I'm going to give that a quick torch where I see the bubbles. And a quick blow where I see that hard edge. You could probably use the blow dryer. Matter of fact, I kind of want to try it. Well, it's cool enough. I just don't think it made any vast improvements. I liked it the way it was. Okay. And we'll wantonly get rid of any hard edges. So that's pretty cool. I like it. I am going to use the rest of my purple paint from the top. I think I'm going to go, my sides are covered My top is mostly covered, so that came in handy. Kind of using all my paint up. I got one more edge here. And I don't need all this down here. Wow, there's a lot. It's been a long, long time since I did this. But I really like that sky a lot. I'm going to think that I'm going to take advantage of the fact that there's paint here before I have to worry about it. And put it right down along that edge. Maybe just quick like a bunny, run my finger along it and up over the side. This is a whole new gig, and in a second I'm going to do something I have never done before. Probably some variation on a theme, I'm sure. Must be time to get a new spatula. Just cleaning all the paint I can get off of there. Well, I said that and then I went back again. Put that in there. Show you this for the moment. I think I got most of my bubbles out. Love, love, love that sky. I'm going to put some... Oh, that's black. We don't want black. Sherwin Williams. I have to have enough to be able to tip it. My inclination is to spread some of that. And it certainly doesn't matter if I get another color in it. After I spent all that time covering my edges and my bottom too, huh? I am going to leave a puddle. I don't mind if it's a little tinted at all. Now, if I don't like how the blow dryer works, I'll just swipe, because that's my normal MO anyway. So let's do the... I want a brighter color than that. Let's start with the Bitter Lime, which is a primary element from the Harvest Moon selection. Let's just go nuts. Let's throw a little bit of black iris in there. My paint pouring recipe is underneath the video, and how I set up my bottles is to... This is some mother of pearl. Here's a little fresh pine from that same Harvest Moon selection. A little green tea, which is a primary element, I believe. Whoops. I love the green tea, I really do. Not when it squirts sideways as much, but I'm going to throw in a little bit of, I believe this is deep amethyst. And a little bit of Emperor's Gold. And Baltic Amber. I'm tempted by a little bit of black, but I'm tempted by lots of things. Let's put a little Fandango in there because I can. I want something like, I was gonna do black, but I'm gonna do some Midnight Shadow if I can get any out. I think I have a couple of bottles of this going, maybe even 3. It's been a little while since I used this one, obviously. Midnight Shadow is very, very deep, Prussian-y blue. And last but not least, just because it's right here, I have something made of deep amethyst, pink diamond, and chantilly lace. That might add some brightness. Now, the cool thing is I have some Atelier green cell activator. It's both yellow and blue, and I haven't used it since I made it except for that one day. So it's kind of going to waste. And I'm thinking I'm going to do black, a little purple, my timer is not working. There we go. Yay! I thought I was going to be stuck for a minute. Some white, the Amsterdam white and black. Enough said. Alright, cross your fingers that we can do this quickly. Just not used to that blow dryer at all. I seldom use it, honestly, and I really should try harder to use it more often. I'm going to be doing some tipping in a second. I don't think I'm going to spin. I'm going to get the blow dryer out of there. I'm going to bring back my edge catcher. Whoops. I found my glasses! Yay! I also found, you know what, maybe a shorter edge catcher would make me happier. Easier to handle. There may not be enough paint there, in which case I'm going to have trouble making my time limit. But in the meantime, it's still going. And we're just going to let it keep going over. And whatever's on my edge catcher is fair game. I feel like blowing that over. And I put my blow dryer away. I don't know why I can't get that blow dryer straight. I am going to use one of my small acetate tools, I believe. And some black, some white. I would have. It stopped coming out. Alright, there's like a dot of white there. And some Mayan gold. I got 1 minute left. I'm not going to make it. So I love you guys. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Know I have a link tree with all kinds of cool stuff on it, including my website. I have 28 lists of 100 videos. And whatever it looks like when it's done, if it's not exactly like this, I wouldn't be surprised. Just going to take our chances. Grab another OXO omelet turning spatula. Say I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. I post at 2:15 Eastern Standard Time. 2:15 p.m. Bye for now. Priscilla out.